Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. In today's video review, we're going to be showcasing the Osla Nintendo Switch carrying case. And so far I've been using it for a couple days and I like it a lot. So what is it? So basically, like I said, it's a hard case. It's made of a polycarbonate kind of shell. So if you were to, put your Switch inside here, which I'll get to in a moment, but let's say you have your Switch inside here and you're walking around and you accidentally drop it from your pocket, your backpack, your purse, what have you, it will definitely protect your Nintendo Switch inside. So here we go. Drop it. Yes, I know it's a tabletop, but let's say you dropped it on concrete, asphalt, what have you, it will protect your Nintendo Switch investment inside. We take a look at the exterior. It does have a handle to it, so that's sort of nice, easy to carry as you walk around. And then it does have a set of zipper handles on both sides, so you can go ahead and zip it any way that you want. Another cool thing, I suppose, is the shell is waterproof. So let's say that you accidentally spilled some water. You're eating, you like to game, you like to eat at the same time, whatever, and you spilled some water, juice, what have you, on top of the case, it will not penetrate and go inside your case and mess up your electronics. Now, granted, it does have a zipper all around, so it is very plausible that if you did get some liquid in the zipper portion, it could probably seep inside, but it's probably unlikely. For the most part, it will protect your investment. So let's take a look on the inside. And the main portion here is where you put your Nintendo Switch. So here is my Switch right now. So let's go ahead and just put it in here. And it does fit pretty well. Press down all the way. So you have these two rubber straps, so to speak, up here and down here. So that secures it in place. And then if you had any Nintendo Switch cartridge games, there's 10 slots right here, so you can store your games on the go. That's awesome. And then up here at the top, you have a mesh kind of compartment. So let's say you have your extra accessories, extra Joy-Cons, maybe extra games, maybe you have a battery pack, maybe a USB charging cable, something like that. So here's my cable here. I can put that in here in this case. If I had a slim USB wall wart, I could put that in there too, on the go. Due to the size, it will not fit your regular Nintendo Switch power adapter. It's just too big for this case, which is, reasonable and understandable. So that's the idea. There is this part is, I don't know what you call it, like a felt fabric kind of material. So it's not going to scratch your Nintendo Switch screen if you don't have a screen protector, for example, which I don't at the moment. So if this goes against it, it's not going to scratch your screen, right? And then if I go here, and let's zip this guy up. You got the carry handle, walk around, accidentally drop it, what have you, your Switch investment is protected. So that is today's review video. Working with Osla, I do have some discount codes, so definitely check out the video description for some discount code information for all my viewers out there. And then if I get a chance, we may actually possibly do a giveaway too. So I'm going to work with the company to see if we can do like some kind of giveaway for the viewers here. So anyways, this is the review of the Osla Nintendo Switch carrying case. If you have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.